on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be cooking Cajun dirty rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of rice, and you want to pre-cook it. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium red bell pepper diced, 1 medium onion diced, 1 stalk of celery sliced thinly then diced, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And guys, make sure you watch the video all the way through. In a large skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our bell pepper, our onion, and our celery. Now I'm going to let it saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to add in our ground beef. I'm going to break it down and make sure it's mixed well with our veggies. Now we're going to let our ground beef continue to cook until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking, only if you have a lot of grease in your pan, you want to drain it, but you want to leave about 3 tablespoons of that grease. So now I'm going to add in my tomato paste. I'm going to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. Now you can add in your minced garlic. Go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. We're going to add in our seasonings. Our black pepper, beef bouillon, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. We'll go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, we're also going to need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And go ahead and sprinkle that in, and we're going to mix it until it's well combined for about 1 to 2 minutes. And you can turn off your heat, and we're going to begin to add our rice in. Now you just want to mix it until everything is well combined. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Cajun dirty rice. It tastes so good and it comes out perfect every time. This is also another budget-friendly meal. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet? Y'all hungry yet? Come back real soon, I got more to serve. Y'all
See you
hungry
next
yet?
time.